So there was no blueprint for us to use. And over time, we realized that we were creating that blueprint for us to expand our digital capabilities across the enterprise. Today, qualifying as 12 different scanning sites and over 4 million slides scanned. So I'm Derek Welch. I'm the president and CMO at PathGroup, headquartered in Nashville, Tennessee. The decision to go digital was driven by a few factors. One was the need for efficiency, being able to have productive pathologists who can move through cases fluidly. The second thesis was quite simple, which is we cannot use AI tools in the future unless we're first digital. So we needed to build that capability to flex into what has now blossomed into some pretty impressive AI tools. I'm not sure many institutions that have gone digital have done it this way, but we trained folks, our pathologists, and then we went full digital with the first cohort on a Monday morning and removed the microscope completely. Going digital has allowed us to attract top-tier talent. Younger pathologists and seasoned veterans are very drawn to not only the daily use of the technology in the workplace, but work from home models that allow flexibility. So that has helped us to continue to build an academic style practice with top leading experts and pathologists. Being able to speak to hospital markets and geographies about multiple subspecialists in our 200 plus pathologists really resonates. They're very interested in the breadth of services and diagnostic capabilities that we can provide on a digital platform. But with Proscia, not only do you have a clinical solution for viewing cases fluidly and across multiple pathologists and an agnostic to scanner and AI solution, you have a second parallel business driver, which is the ability to warehouse de-identified images with Proscia's Aperture solution, where you can then generate revenue from the research, development, and pharma space to help offset and fuel the costs that are borne by going digital in the first place. So what we've done with Proscia is create a runway where we're able to flex into best-in-class technology solutions.